Hi, good people. Welcome to Aiwa the Great YouTube channel. Today is another fine day. I want to show you a simple setup of a green energy that you can have in your home for it to power the whole of your compound. I've done a lot of them. So when you're dealing with us, you are dealing with the expert. So here is the system. So here we have a two tubular, very big battery, which are 220 each. Then we have our solar inverter, which is here, which is 3 kVA. So those are 3000 watts. You can see our green energy up there. Our solar is here. Then we have the MPPT or the charge controller. Then to the battery. Then we have the inverter. Then we have our grid. Then we have our branches, and you see it's written, it's bypassing power, so it is helping the inverter to charge the battery, and the appliances are getting power direct from the Kenya Power, as you can see, from the grid to appliances there. So it is stayed by when the powers go off, it automatically peaks and also supply power to my client. So guys, generally this is the system. I've introduced a small consumer over here. This is where I have my three double pole, which one have got AC in, AC out, and PV in. So I also filtered the Kenya Power, which is entering my inverter. That's why I've introduced an AVS. Then there is these my DC fuse. This is to ensure that if there is problem between the batteries and the inverter, you can be in position to cut power or to cut the DC power from the battery to the inverter. Then here there is a controller. This is for solar water heater. Solar water heater is up there. That's why I've introduced this socket, which is supplying power to the controller for the solar water heater. And at the same time, this is because the solar water heater have also got a heating element. This is to ensure that when the temperature are very low, it can automatically peaks. You can set time when it should heat water using national grid. So generally that's the system, and for business you can reach us through this number +254 727 000 499. I wanna go up there, show you the solars, then from there you'll be in position to see how a simple setup or as a green energy setup, how it look like, and how you can use a God-given energy to pay your bills. So guys, up here we have a pressurized 300 liters solar water heater. Here it is. It have got 30 tubes. Then over here there is a outlet for hot water. The pipe is very hot. Then we have the sensor for the temperature. On other side we have an entrance for cold water. Also here there is a provision of a heater in case the temperature are very low and you need the system to heat using the grid. Then this is a breather for the, or we call it a PTV valves. So when the water boils, this is where the nini escape through. Then there is also our two solars, which are 480 watts each. That's a total of 960 watts. So this is what is charging our batteries down there, and with that, that's our system. So in beautiful land of Roiro. Adios. See you in the next video.